Did you know that in order to make a ton of paper, it takes around 17 trees? Trees are of invaluable importance to our environment and to human well-being. They give us clean water to drink, air to breathe, shade and food to humans, animals, and plants.
When we burn down or cut down the trees, we create greenhouse gases. These gases go to the atmosphere and generate the phenomenon of El Niño, problem that contributes to climate change. El Niño can trigger extreme weather events globally, from fierce droughts, wildfires, and heat waves to deadly flooding and tropical storms. The global economic fallout of El Niño is likely also to be huge, with a recent study estimating the costs as high as $3.4 trillion. Wildfires are getting more and more common every day. With higher temperatures and fluctuating climates, it seems that every day there's a new reason for one to happen. Wildfires can create a lot of problems, such as water shortages, rising temperatures, and CO2 emissions, which affect not only us humans but also various ecosystems and puts them at risk.
So, there's a solution. A way to reduce our reliance on fresh paper, minimize waste, and protect our planet.
To cycle the paper, you need to cut the paper into strips. Now with your blender, add your strips and then add a little bit of water. Mix it until you get this consistency and add a little bit of water. Now you need a cloth. It could be a t-shirt.
At this point, you usually use a frame. However, we know that this could be so expensive. But no problem, here's our solution. Take a bunch of the dough. Take a huge book and remember to cover it before you start to push into the dough. Now take off water excess and create or improve the shapes that you want in your paper. Now with confidence, put it into a window. Push it a little bit and take off the cloth. Until now, you just wait the paper to dry.
Using recycled paper have a significant economic benefits, including reduced production costs, saving on raw materials, additional revenue from paper sales, and lower waste disposal expenses. This approach also supports compliance with environmental regulation and stimulates local economic growth through job creation in the recycling industry.
Also, this recycled paper benefits us very well and perfectly. We can use markers, pencils, even watercolors, and even erase if it's necessary, which is very useful and simple to use, like any other paper, but this is helping the planet in a simple way.
Each box will have a poster explaining why it's in the classroom, the type of paper it accepts, and the benefits it will bring to the school and to the classroom itself. It will be collected at the end of the week by us and then be made into new recyclable paper, which is then repurposed into notebooks, newspaper to write on, and art supplies, which are then left in the classrooms for any person that needs it to use. Our solution will be implemented on the upper-level high school classrooms with the help of boxes that will encourage students to deposit unused or unwanted paper to recycle, which we will then be collecting to make recycled paper.
Together, let's recycle paper and preserve our planet for generations to come.